Here's a 2019 BMW X7. It doesn't just offer views, it offers vistas. It isn't just nice, it's class-defining luxury. It isn't just big, it's spacious with grace and agility. The X7 doesn't do ordinary, it does legendary. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic GPS-linked transmission. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. Call us today at 754-220-2988.